Hi, I am from the PC Error Detective channel, and in this video, we will learn how to view crash logs in Windows 11 step by step. This guide will help you find system errors and understand what causes crashes on your Windows 11 PC. Step 1. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. This key gives you quick access to search and system tools built into Windows 11. Step 2. Type Event Viewer in the search box. Event Viewer is a built-in Windows tool that records system events, errors, and crashes for troubleshooting. Step 3. Click on Event Viewer from the search results to open it. This will launch a window where all system logs are stored and organized. Step 4. In the Event Viewer window, click to expand Windows Logs. This section contains important logs related to apps, system performance, and security events. Step 5. Click on any category like Application, Security, Setup, System, or Forwarded Events to view logs. Each category shows different types of crash and error information. Step 6. Click on a log entry to view its details. This helps you understand when the crash happened and what caused the issue. Step 7. Click the General tab or the Details tab to see more information about the error or event. These tabs provide technical details that can help identify and fix the problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel for more helpful Windows tutorials.